Changing the email link to your Chase Bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the src.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in a menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select email preferences. Look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to view your current email address and other contact details. Step 4. Update your email. In the Email Preferences section, enter your new email address. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you've completed these steps, your email link to your Chase Bank account will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Chase customer support for assistance.